it's a little brim, viewers. Nice little brim. Pop him back. That's not what we're fishing for, guys. Okay, this is a better fish. I'm not sure what it is. Might be another brim. No, it's a trevally. Nice little skippy. Nice little grunter. Not what we're fishing for. Chuck him back. Oh, okay, tighten up the drag, tighten up the drag, come on. Oh, he's gonna spool me. Oh. Whew. Okay, this is what we want. Okay. That was a sizzling run. This is a snapper. Get that gaff ready. Phew. I was falling asleep there. I knew there'd be a fish sooner or later, guys. Phew. I think it's a snapper. It's a good fish. It's a good fish anyway. Ooh, it's got a bit of weight in it. It's got a bit of weight in it. Ooh. Just back him off a little bit. Nice fish. Okay, just be patient. Just be patient. We're only on really super light gear, guys. Really super light gear. Oh, there he goes again. Come on. Come on. Oh. He's going on the bottom. Going the other way. Might be a dewy. And here comes a big boat tearing in. If I can land this fish, viewers, I think we'll call it quits. It's a big snapper. It's a big snapper, viewers. It's a beautiful fish. Okay, let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. I'll just back the drag off a bit more. There you go. There you go, that's a fish. That's what we're after, guys. Woo. Woo. I knew we'd get one sooner or later. Woo. There you go, beautiful snapper, viewers. We're going to keep that one for dinner. It's been a hard work to get that fish. I'll just get the hook out of his mouth. I was probably coming out a bit early trying to get him, but it's starting to get late here. I might just do another cast and drift through and see if we can get another one. I'll just dispatch of him and get him in the bag. Okay, there. Usually try and get that gaff shop like a Nicky Jamie, and Okay, that's got his gill. I'll just bag him up, viewers, and we'll have another cast. But there you go, that's what we're fishing for. Beautiful pinkies. I'm so stoked. I had to work hard for that fish, but I finally got it. Ew! Look at that, beautiful. Going in the bag. What I'm doing, viewers, I'm just using soft plastics. I've got 3-inch grubs and some 4-inch grubs there on a pretty light 1/4 ounce head jig head, and I'm not even using leader, viewers. I'm just running the mono straight through to the jig head. Simple and effective. We're getting in real close. There might be one in here. I'm going to do that last cast, and then I'm going to paddle out and do one more drift through, and hopefully we'll get something on our last run. If not, we'll call it a night. I'm on. Doesn't feel as good, this one. He snuck up on me. I don't know what it is, viewers. Now he's under the boat. Oh no, it's a nice little pinky. Oh no, it's a trevally. These menace bloody things. The fishing ground, viewers. I hope that sun's not too bad anyway. I've just got to negotiate coming in through the surf, and we'll have a look at that fish and I'll show you the setup. Might be one creeping up behind me. Oh, we made it back in. Phew. So there you go, viewers. Couple of hours fishing, a whole lot of good, great workout. We got that one real nice fish, so it was well worth going out. Let's go in and have a look at him, eh? Viewers, I made it back in. Here's a look at the ski. It's a 14-foot plastic kayak. I've got all the stuff. We've got the rod holders there, but to come in through the surf, then I just stashed everything inside, so because it's easy to get tipped over in the surf and stuff, and lose your gear. So there's the fishing gear. I've got this fish in here. There's the fish. We'll have a look at the fish in a sec. And I've got my spinning combo here. Here we go, viewers. A nice little snapper. I'm guessing she's about 60, 65. It might be a bit bigger. Beautiful specimen. That'll I'll fill it. I'll scale it and gut it, and take it home, and we'll cook the frame up, make some seafood chowder, and fill it up, and eat the head and everything in the soup. Nothing will go to waste. I'm really stoked. It's an awesome fish. Only one fish, but that'll do us for the day. There she goes, 70, oh geez, that might be around 75 centimetres. We'll call it 70, viewers. We could have got 2 of those. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned. There's going to be heaps more coming up. Stay motivated. I love you all. Peace out.